Hey guys, BrickQueen back here again with the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar for 2015. And let's go ahead and open up day number 21. It's the last one on our top row up here. We just have a few days left now. And it looks like a little Hoth command post. We've had quite a few things, well, not a whole lot from Hoth, but we have had several. But let me go ahead and put this together for you guys. Alright, it takes just a minute to put this together, trying to follow the instructions like Emmett over here. And build this just right. We'll go ahead and load that. And there's our little control panel there. And there we go. There's our little Hoth command post for day number 21. We just have a few days left, so stay tuned to see what's left in this advent calendar. And if you guys haven't already, be sure to go check out the custom advent calendars I've been doing this month.